Alright guys, it's time for an unboxing. So today we're going to be unboxing Joker, the 4K Ultra HD Plus Blu-ray. Let's get into this bad boy. This movie made a lot of money at the box office. Like $1 billion. It's crazy. Okay, so the front, the spine, the back. Well, we got some special features there. The making of, right on. Pull up the digital code for anyone that wants it. There you go. Blu-ray on the right and the 4K or the Blu-ray on the left, 4K on the right. So yep, there you have it guys. That was an unboxing of Joker 4K. Have a good one.